slept for a good 6 hours. I'm tired. Like, why did I go out last night? I mean, I understand why. Like, I love the event. My bestie was emceeing, but like, yeah, I'm fucking tired. Did you decide on which page you're getting? What? Thank you. Yeah, it's cheese now. It's halloumi. I'm lactose intolerant. Just don't bring me starters anymore. You know, because I also don't eat that other tempura. Can't you bring the tempura without the tempura? Like, as in, like, can't you bring it, like, without it being... I like the prawn on its own. I know it's fried. That's what I'm saying, without the tempura. But it's fine. Thank you. Your EQ is top tier. Thank you. Guys, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but fun fact, I was literally drunk as fuck in most of my Born into Fame diaries. If you don't know me, maybe you won't be able to tell that I'm drunk, but everyone who knows me was like, dude, you were wasted. And it's not the only diary I was wasted in. I was wasted in a lot of them, so... You know, if I sound like I'm not making sense, it made sense in my head at the time, you know? So, I'm having white fish ceviche. You didn't bring race to Junior, you were being manipulated and baited. Exactly. Because I'm smart. I went live right here. Thank you. I like your hair, your nails. Really? With spray?
I did try it.
Yes, no, you didn't. It looks nice. A bob suit too. Yeah. Do you feel better? Okay, well.
Beautiful. Why can't you do like this? Slow down, please.
I didn't get the flu after like hanging out with you, so I told you I don't get sick. I don't get sick from people.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
High five.
High five.
I'm glad. I was so worried. I thought you were gonna get me so I was not.
Are you feeling better though?
I'm better now.
I'll see you. Bye. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Hey, lady.
Hey, wait, now I'm even surprised that you came. Yes?
Why?
I thought you weren't going to come.
No, we're even matching.
We're even matching. I love it.
Good, this is
I mean, when last? I can't believe this.
Is this a ceviche thing?
Yes, you want to try some? Because
Yeah.
I never end up finishing it. I'm here, guys. Honestly, if Ntantla and I decided to be like hoes and take over the world, we'd be such a deadly combo. Honestly, we'd be like in Ibiza getting fucked by the hottest European bisexual man. I'm just saying, we're so hot, friend. You know?
Yeah.
You should have seen us at this Afro Games event, guys.
Yeah,
Remember?
we're fire. Yeah,
we
we're
were on fire.
This is good.
Yeah.
But it's not the most epic, but it's good.
Now what? Now, because you are looking for the best whiskey sours in Joburg, you think you're a ceviche connoisseur. Okay, anyway, guys, I didn't know when he was going to come, so... No, I didn't sleep with my makeup. Are you crazy? I didn't know when my friend was going to come, but now he's here, so I have to go. Sorry that I was here for such a short time. I love